In this tutorial I'm gonna teach you the turtle. It's a very basic breaking move that doesn't need many prerequisites. If you will need more help for your breaking, check out my coaching plan, link in the description, and check out the video courses I made on Patreon or the PDF guides I made about the windmill, the flare, the swipe and the air flare. Disclaimer, my turtle is not the best, I can still do it, but I never really practice it consistently, so I can still explain you the technique, but if you want to make it better than mine, just practice more. I didn't practice it enough. So please don't mind my turtle form, but I think the important thing is that you know the technique. So what are the prerequisites for the turtle? Being able to know the turtle freeze on both sides, first of all. What is the turtle freeze? Is this freeze here. Both on the right arm, but also on the left, like this. You should be able to hold both freezes on both sides for at least 10 seconds, or if possible even more, and you should feel very comfortable in doing them. Second and last prerequisite is being able to play a little bit with the turtle freezes on both sides. What do I mean by play? You should feel light enough on both freezes that you are able, for example, to change the leg shape like this, like this, like this, to open your legs, or even to do a little hop like this, or to turn around a little bit, or to turn on the other side a little bit, and same thing on the other side as well. If you feel like it's too heavy to play in this position, try to play a little bit. When you will feel lighter, you're ready for the turtle. So let's start learning the turtle. First of all, you should be able to switch from one side to the other without spinning. You can start in a turtle freeze on your strong side, in my case the right, change and change. Change and change. There is one brief moment when you lean both elbows on your stomach. Actually, in a turtle you don't do that, because from here you jump directly on the other side. But this is the first step and the easier one to learn it. Once you feel comfortable in changing 1, 2, 3, and then pum, 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 try to change with a little jump. So jump and change. So without leaning both elbows on your stomach. I'm gonna show you the difference. First, in this way, I'm gonna go from the right to the left, and then I'm gonna push directly and jump to the left. First way is this one. And second way, this one. At first, the second way may seem harder, but just practice and you will be able to do it. So now, try the same thing, but starting from the left. I'm not gonna show you again, because actually it's the same thing. So from the left, switching and switching, and then same thing, but with a hop. You should be able to jump from the right to the left, but also from the left to the right, without spinning first. Now it's time to add the rotation. Make sure you can turn a little bit in the turtle freeze. You don't need to be able to do like a hand spin on both sides. It's not needed, but you should just be able to turn a little bit. So for example, from here, just doing this. Okay, just a little, very little turn. So the first step is this turn. After you turn a little bit, doesn't really matter how much you turn. You should just feel a little bit the feeling of the momentum. And then change like you did before. I'm gonna show you, just changing from the right to the left. I turn and then I switch. As you can see, when I switch, on the left side, I keep turning a little bit because I still have the momentum of the turn that keeps me going. Then you can start from the left and jump into the right. So in this case, I'm gonna start from here, from the left. I'm gonna turn and then switch to the right. Now I'm almost in a side freeze, but doesn't matter. The important thing is that you switch. Once you can do it in both ways, so it's basically the same switch that you did before without turning, but this time you're just gonna add the turn. You can try to do it repeatedly. So from the right to the left, and then when you land on the left, immediately you go back to the right. So at first it should look something like this. Try to get comfortable just with few exchanges. So right, left, right, for example. And then try to increase and do more. Do it pretty slowly at first. Don't try to jump too much or don't try to make it too fast. It can be kind of slow. Once you are able to do it like this, just make it a little bit faster, a little bit smoother, practice more, and try also to push harder, both with the right arm but also with the left arm, in order to make the jumps better and higher, and make the movement more powerful. If you will need more help for your breaking, check out my coaching plans, link in the description, or my video courses on Patreon, or the PDF guides I made about the windmill, the flare, the swipe, and the air flare. See you next time with a new video. Yo ninjas!